already?
Hello, my name is Alexandra.
Nice to meet you, Alexander. Where are you from?
I'm Ukrainian.
Oh, amazing. Shout out to Ukrainian people. I'm gonna play for you something, and if you are able to guess, let me know how do you feel this.
Okay, cool. It's definitely.